CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.6 Given a scenario, configure Microsoft Windows settings. System. Alright, our next stop in the control panel tour is the System utility. This is where you can view and manage key aspects of your computer's hardware and operating system settings. In this video segment, I will break down what happens when you select System from the control panel, explain its overall purpose, and walk through a couple use case scenarios. When you select System from the control panel, you'll be taken to the About section of the System tab in the Windows Settings app. Here, you'll see a summary of your system specifications, including storage, installed RAM, processor type, and the device name. You'll also find information about your Windows operating system specifications if you scroll down a bit. The overall purpose of this system utility is to provide a central location for viewing detailed information about your computer's hardware and operating system. It also offers quick access to tools for managing system performance, configuring hardware settings, and troubleshooting issues. Since there is so much we can do here, let's walk through a basic change just to give you an idea of this utility's inner workings. Suppose you've purchased a second monitor and want to extend the Windows desktop to the new screen. Here's how you can do it using the System utility. From the Main System tab, select Display in the navigation pane. This will navigate you to the Display Settings section within Windows Settings. Here you will see your monitors represented as numbered rectangles. You can click Identify to see which number corresponds to each physical monitor if you are not sure which is which. Just to the right of Identify, you have yet another box. Clicking this will give you a drop-down menu. This drop-down menu will provide you with multiple options to control how your displays will behave, including duplicate these displays, extend these displays, show only on one, and show only on two. If you choose duplicate these displays, your desktop will appear the same on both screens. This is useful for presentations or when you want both monitors to show identical content. Selecting Extend these displays allows you to spread your desktop across both monitors. This gives you more workspace, letting you drag windows from one screen to the other, which is ideal for multitasking. The Show Only options allow you to use just one monitor at a time. For example, you might choose to display only on your external monitor when working at a desk, or only on your laptop screen when you're on the go. Now, display settings are just one example of how the System utility allows you to quickly adjust and customize your computer to meet your needs. Let's look at another common scenario. Imagine you're presenting an important project to a client, and notifications keep popping up on your screen. These alerts can be distracting and interrupt your workflow. To prevent this, you can enable Do Not Disturb using the System utility. From the System settings, navigate to Notifications. Once you are in the Notifications section, you will find the option to turn on Do Not Disturb. Enabling this setting will silence notifications so they don't appear on your screen or play sounds. You can also customize this feature further by setting automatic rules, such as turning on Do Not Disturb during certain hours or when you're using specific applications. This helps ensure that interruptions are minimized when you need to stay focused. As you can see, whether you're extending your display for better productivity or silencing notifications to stay focused, the System utility gives you the tools to tailor your computer to your environment and workflow. Whether you're managing display settings, configuring hardware, or controlling system behavior like notifications, the System utility provides a centralized place to adjust how your computer looks, sounds, and performs. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.